Well, hello, here I am again. It is about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's been a busy day, still state testings and many things going on in the school, but it was a great day. First of all, I want to thank all of those who watched last videos, the last one and the previous one, and the ones who have subscribed. Thank you so much. And please, if you like the content, just push that subscribe button and the like button as well. And if you can and you have the time, please leave us a comment, a suggestion, anything that you think would be helpful. Thank you again for your support. It's nice to be able to share my experiences, and it's nice to know that some people are using them. And I've had a few teachers in my school that said, "Hey, I watched the video, and I'm trying not to take it personal." So thank you again. Remember, subscribe. Today, I would like to talk about, well, why don't I start with a story that my dad told me. When he was little, well, still, my dad likes to cuss. And he's been doing that since he was tiny. But in the type of household that he grew in, was very conservative, Christian, that was not allowed. It was a farm, and it was a while back. So those things did not fly over there. And if you tried it, you knew that you were going to get beaten up. They were going to spank you. They were going to do whatever it took. So my dad, he loved to say the word S-H-I-T. And he just said it all the time. Well, they have told him, you need to stop. You need to stop. But he just continued. He had decided that he liked to say bad words and he was going to say it. And one day, they finally got a hold of him. His father, I don't know if it was his father or his mother. I don't remember exactly. But anyways, they, with a belt, and the more he was punished, he kept saying, bleep, bleep, bleep. He had decided that he was going to say bad words, and they could have killed him that day, that he was going to still say them. He had made a decision that he was going to say bad words. Regardless of what was happening, regardless of the punishment, he was going to do it. Which brings me to the strategy for today. Actually, I have to say that I got this strategy from my wife. And I never really had enough confidence as a teacher to try it myself. But I heard her talking about it and talking about it and talking about it. And finally, I decided to do it. And it consists of this: telling the students that we as teachers cannot make them do anything. I know it sounds strange, but truly, we cannot make students do anything. We cannot make anybody do anything. And so if we tell them enough, listen, I cannot make you do anything. I can counsel you, I can give you consequences, but I cannot make you do anything. Your parents cannot make you do anything. No one can make you do anything unless you make the decision to do it. And if we drill that enough in our students, at first when I told them, they're like, "What? You cannot make us do anything?" I said, "No, I can't think about it." If I say right now, be quiet, and you decide that you're going to continue talking, what can I possibly do to make you stop? Nothing. It has to be a personal decision. It has to be your decision to say, okay, my teacher said stop talking, I'm going to stop talking. And that goes for any type of behavior. So the students need to understand that it is on them. They own their behavior. They own their learning. They own their decisions. It's on them. Now, that does not mean that we just let them do whatever. We have consequences. I have consequences in my classroom. I have rewards, and I have negative consequences as well. But ultimately, the decision to do or not to do belongs to the students. Because I cannot make them do anything. Neither can their parents, neither can their friends. And this can also work. Can your friends make you do anything? No, they cannot. It is on you. It is on you. And I don't do it in a mean way. I don't, oh, well, this is your decision, and, and it doesn't matter what I say. No, not like that. It's a conversation that we have. It's a conversation that we have weekly, if not almost daily, from day one. It's like a campaign. And I repeat it. I repeat it. It's on you. I cannot make you do anything. I will tell you the rules. I will tell you my expectations. And I would love if you follow them. But I cannot make you. I cannot make you do anything. No one can. And it has worked wonders in my classroom. It really has. I know it takes letting go, because we think we can make students do anything I want. Well, you know what? If a student decides that he's not going to do that, just like my dad decided that he was going to continue saying bleep, then they will continue, regardless of what you do. Regardless. So if we just put it on them, we can say, hey, I already told you to stop. Now it's your decision. Now, if you don't stop, I'm going to have to give you a consequence. But it is on you. It's your decision. It's your decision. It's your decision. And really, especially in an inner city school, but I imagine in any school, it is a strategy that has added so much richness to my classroom, to my instruction. Because now it's not about me, it's about them. I prepare my lessons. I have my rules, which are very few, and I'll talk about that another day. But the decision belongs to the students. I cannot make them do anything. Remember that. My grandparents could not make my dad do what they wanted them to do. He continued. And still today, he causes. He causes. Because he loves it, I guess. But that has really worked in my classroom. And I hope that you try it. And I hope that you can enrich your classroom by doing that. Remember, if you like the content, please like it and subscribe and leave me a comment. And now I'm going to have to go because I have a meeting to go this afternoon. And I'm catching a ride with a co-worker, with my colleague. So I got to go. But thank you. And I will see you next Wednesday. Bye.